In the bustling bazaar of the town of Zambori, an eccentric inventor known as Mr. Bumble worked tirelessly in his cluttered workshop. Mr. Bumble, known more for his comical mishaps than his inventions, had come up with an idea for a new device he called the perfect picnic pack. This contraption was supposed to prepare and serve an entire picnic seamlessly. One sunny afternoon, Mr. Bumble decided to showcase his latest invention to the townsfolk. The townspeople gathered around with a mixture of curiosity and amusement, knowing Mr. Bumble's past endeavors often led to hilarious outcomes. With a flourish, Mr. Bumble unveiled the perfect picnic pack. It was a bizarre-looking machine with levers, buttons, and a conveyor belt, promising to deliver a meal with just a push of a button. As Mr. Bumble pressed the large red button labeled Begin Feast, the machine sputtered to life. At first, it worked surprisingly well. Sandwiches were neatly assembled, tea was poured with precision, and cookies were served with finesse. However, just as the crowd began to applaud, something went awry. A high-pitched whirring sound filled the air, and the machine began to shake. Strawberries catapulted across the market, sandwiches flipped in the air, and the teapot began spewing streams of tea like a mini fountain. The townspeople erupted into laughter as they dodged flying sandwiches and runaway cookies. Mr. Bumble, with a sheepish grin, attempted to regain control. But the machine had a mind of its own. Each attempt to tame the contraption only resulted in more culinary chaos. At one point, Mr. Bumble tried to catch a particularly flighty croissant, but ended up with a hat full of berries instead. As berries and bread rained down, everyone was in high spirits. The crowd was thoroughly entertained by the spectacle. Mr. Bumble, despite his failure, joined in the laughter, promising that he would get it right next time. The perfect picnic pack, Mark II, he quipped, will come with weather control next time. The laughter continued long after the machine's clattering stopped, and the townsfolk knew they could always count on Mr. Bumble for an afternoon of unexpected fun.